Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol CODX. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. I'm not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, quite the crazy day on this one, not only from a price action standpoint with the price all over the place, but this was all happening on well above average volume. And if you're a little confused by the chart, hey, you're not alone. This is a very bizarre, a very sketchy looking chart. But the level that I think really does a good job of kind of just making things very cut and dry moving into next week is that area right there at 1350. Why is 1350 important? Well, let's look at one potential scenario. And I'm not saying at all that this is what's going to actually happen, but just for explanation's sake, if the price were to come down to 1350, behave in that manner, and then continue on down, what would that be doing to the price? Well, that would quite literally be putting the price right back inside of that range where it just was. And not to insult your intelligence, but price movements that go back to where they were, not exactly a sign of true strength. Now, to be fair, though, no price can go straight up. So maybe the price comes back down here, behaves like that, but the difference being in this situation goes back up. Now, what would you have in this situation all of a sudden? Well, you'd have a set of lows right there. You'd have these lows down here. If you envision each of those as stair steps, well, hey, there you go. Now you have stair steps making progress in the upwards direction. And again, that's what a truly strong move is going to do. It's going to make progress. And again, in this situation, quote unquote, progress being defined by 1350. So it's really just a question of, is the price making progress or is the price going back to where it was? And 1350 makes that very straightforward in terms of defining those couple of situations. As far as levels of resistance, key level to watch moving forward to next week going to be right up there around 14. Right around 1445. So that'll be the main battleground to watch. But yeah, crazy day today. But now let's just see if the price can ultimately show some signs of progress or if the price is going to go right back to where it was. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.